Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Independence Swizzle. To make this drink, we're actually going to start with the ice. And I was smart enough to get some ice beforehand so I don't have to stop the video in order to get it. I'm going to crush a bunch of ice. And so I have my loose bag. Put the ice in there. I have my mallet crusher right here. My mallet crusher, my ice crusher, also known as a mallet. We're going to see if the dog is going to start barking. Stick with me. Now, I'm going to put this ice right away into the glass. And again, we'll see if I can do this without spilling. It's always a trick. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the top. Maybe that much. Set this aside for now. And add 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Now some recipes say 1.5 ounces. To me, that would be a lot of citrus. So half an ounce is all I'm gonna do. Now, 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. One to 1.5 teaspoons of honey. I find honey to be hard to work with, so I'm going with 1.5 teaspoons of honey syrup. And I do have a recipe for this on the channel if you want to check that out. 1.5 teaspoons is 7.5 milliliters. Finally, 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. Every recipe I've seen says Angostura, very traditional in Independence Swizzle, so that's what we're going to use. Now, we need a swizzle stick, which I don't have. And if you don't have one, you can use a bar spoon. If you don't have a bar spoon, you need a knife, or a butter knife. You can give that a try. A swizzle is a swizzle because it's been swizzled, so swizzle sticks make sense. So you're going to work that down into the bottom, and you're going to rub the handle back and forth like you're trying to start a fire. And this will agitate the ice, which will actually chill the drink faster. That's what I've been told. You see the ice is starting to melt, so I'm going to add a little bit more. See if it's going to come out of there. Top it off. And give it another swizzle. You probably can't see that in the video, but this is getting a little bit of frost on the outside of the glass. Now, that's it. I'm going to work a straw into there. Garnish, different recipes have different garnishes. A lime wheel is appropriate. Mixed berries. I've got a little bit of pineapple, so I'm going to use that as my garnish. And I'm going to call that my Independence Swizzle. Drink with good spirits.